Hey there, beauties! Today I want to share with you some top beauty confidence hacks to help you develop good habits and feel amazing in your own skin. First up, let's talk about skincare. Taking care of your skin is crucial for boosting your confidence. Make sure to cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin from the sun every day to keep it healthy and glowing. Next, let's focus on makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and find what makes you feel beautiful. Remember, makeup is not about covering up flaws, but enhancing your natural beauty. By incorporating these beauty confidence hacks into your daily routine, you'll not only look great but also feel great. Remember, true beauty comes from within, so be kind to yourself and embrace your unique features. Uplift yourself and shine bright, beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Hey there, lovelies! Today I'm going to reveal my confidence-boosting acne solutions routine that has truly transformed my skin and self-esteem. First things first, make sure to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or buildup. Next, exfoliate to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells that can lead to breakouts. Now, it's time to target those pesky pimples with a spot treatment. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to help reduce inflammation and redness. Remember to moisturize your skin to keep it hydrated and healthy. And don't forget to wear sunscreen every day to protect your skin from further damage. By following this simple acne solutions routine, you'll not only see a difference in your skin, but also in your confidence. You deserve to feel beautiful in your own skin. Uplifting ending sentence, stay positive and keep shining, beautiful souls. Sparkling heart # confidence is key.
Hey, beauties! Are you tired of dealing with dark circles and puffiness under your eyes? Well, today I'm here to share with you a discipline guide that will help you boost your under-eye care routine. First things first, make sure you are using the right products for your under-eye area. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and caffeine to help brighten, hydrate, and depuff your under eyes. Next, don't forget to get your beauty sleep. Getting at least 7 to 8 hours of rest each night will not only improve the appearance of your under eyes but also benefit your overall skin health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to taking care of your under eye area. Make sure to follow these discipline guide tips every day to see the best results. Your under eyes will thank you. Uplifting ending sentence. So, let's start prioritizing our under eye care and say goodbye to dark circles and puffiness for good. Hey there, beautiful souls! Today, I want to talk to you about the power of facial yoga and how it can help unlock your confidence. When we feel stressed or anxious, our facial muscles tense up, leading to a lack of confidence and focus. By practicing facial yoga, we can release that tension and improve our overall well-being. Did you know that certain facial yoga exercises can help break the cycle of negative thoughts and emotions? By focusing on specific pressure points on the face, we can increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain, helping us feel more alert and centered. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or unfocused, give facial yoga a try. It's a simple and effective way to boost your confidence and improve your mental clarity. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace the power of facial yoga and watch your confidence soar. Let's unlock our true potential together. Dizzy #facial yoga #confidence boost. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share some easy mindset hacks for whipping up fast and delicious lunches. No more stressing about what to make, I've got you covered with these quick recipes. First up, embrace the power of meal prep. Spending just a little time on the weekends to prep ingredients like chopped veggies or cooked grains can save you so much time during the week. You can easily throw together a healthy and filling lunch in minutes when everything is ready to go. Secondly, don't be afraid to keep it simple. Some of the most delicious meals are made with just a few ingredients. A classic grilled cheese sandwich with a side salad or a quick pasta dish with cherry tomatoes and basil can be just as satisfying as a more elaborate meal. So there you have it, a few mindset hacks to make fast and tasty lunches a breeze. Remember, it's all about making the most of what you have and enjoying the